This is a State Farm marketing and sales competition, and what the students are in for today is a really thrilling experience for them to bring the best of themselves to today's event and have the opportunity to really show how they break down critical problems and issues and provide really creative solutions that occur in real-world business today.
This year they'll do one sales role play and a customer service role play. They'll actually be selling auto insurance to a client. The customer service is when an existing client comes in and they have to resolve some kind of customer service issue. What really makes this unique is they do a 15-minute IMC marketing campaign for State Farm. That's my favorite part because it allows the students and us to get creative and come up with some unique solutions for them.
Scholarships that are available and the prize money that is up for grabs, it definitely helps make all the preparation worth it.
Tyler has been so helpful in learning the ins and outs of the competition, but also Charlie has also been helpful in just mentoring. I'm in his advanced professional sales, so both of them just giving us the foundation. Definitely been helpful to have those mentorships.
As it relates to how our kids have fared, I say our kids because me being a graduate of the university, it's been phenomenal. I think we've won the competition 2 out of 8 years, and we've had the best of marketing or the best of sales multiple times beyond that. So the university's really done themselves proud with how the students present themselves. So it's a thrill for me.
State Farm, they're incredibly generous in the amount of prize money that they put out for students. I know at UCM, I think we've won nearly $60,000 over the first 9 competitions. That's an incredible opportunity for students and one that you really can't find at any other type of competition.
It's been 10 years and it's gone by quickly and continues to evolve. Every year we meet with the students and we meet with the representatives from the universities and ask, how can we make this experience a lot better, and we listen.
To State Farm, thank you so much for putting this on every year. I think this is such a wonderful event and I don't see a reason why it should ever end.
I know UCM as a whole is so appreciative, definitely gives students that little extra step to prepare them for life after college. And we are just so thankful to be hosting it here at UCM and getting that experience, not only for our students, but for students across the U.S.